To my followers, my subscribers, my listeners, big up to you all. As usual, I'm Gucema. You find me there on YouTube. And for today, I want to give you a process. You have ever tried to download something from your Playstore and it refuses, or it becomes an issue where it is not downloading anything. Now, today I want to give you 5 steps which you can take to fix the issue of your Playstore. Now, the first step you can take, which you can try to note or to get if your Playstore will work. First, the first step you have to check on updates. First install and uninstall Playstore updates. And how do you go about it? Go to your phone settings. After opening settings, you go to apps, open apps, then scroll to get Playstore. You open Playstore. Then on these 3 dots, click on them, then install the updates. Now, you know that on my case, when I click OK, all the data will be removed. But since on your case, you are trying to fix the problem why the app is not downloading, you have to uninstall the updates. For your case, you have to click OK. Now, since my Playstore is functioning, I will not click OK since it will restore my Playstore to factory version. Now, that is the first step. When you reset or when you install the update, check whether your Playstore is working. Now, if it is not working still, you go to the second step, which is you are supposed to look at the time and location of your device. Go to settings again, your phone settings, then look at time settings. I'm trying to look at the time settings on my device. Here it is found on general management. Click on general management, then try to look at date and time of your device. You can set it to automatic, where your device will take, or it will always decide or take the time according to your location. So on this case, you can choose automatic date and time. Then that is the second step. If your Playstore is not working, you need to look at the third step, which is clearing or clear data of Playstore, clearing the data. And how do you go about clearing data of Playstore app? Go to your phone settings again, like that. Then go to apps. Then look or scroll to Playstore. Since you are trying to fix the problem of Playstore, open Playstore like that. Then you open at the storage, then clear data and cache. You clear all of them, you clear even data. Okay, then go back to your app again. That is the third step. If it is not functioning, go back and look at the fourth step, and the fourth step, it is deleting the search history of the Playstore. Since Playstore always stores your searches, you have to clear the searches so that it can have a room to store another searches. How do you go about clearing or deleting history of your Playstore? You open Playstore, you take with your phone again, you open Playstore like that. It is opening. I think it is taking time because I've done something with it. Then, how do you clear history from Playstore app? Click on this dotted line. Yeah, like this. You clear the history. I'm trying to go to Playstore menu. It is taking time, but I think this is the process. I'm trying to look or to go to my Playstore menu. Yeah, it has opened. Then go to settings. I think I've messed with it. I've cleared the data. Yeah, go to settings, then general. On general, you have, since you are about to clear the history, look at account and device preference, click on it. Then you have to clear history. How do you go about it? You come to history, then clear history. Now that is the fourth step. If still it has the same problem, you have to go back and look at the fifth method, which is clearing the Playstore library. On this case also of clearing Playstore library, open Playstore menu, then click on My Apps, then click on Library. You see that all the apps that you have ever downloaded using Playstore, they are stored here. So you have to clear the Playstore library. Now on this part, it will take time since you have to clear one by bit. For example, this one I clear. I'm removing. This one I remove. You are selecting one by one. This one I remove. And this one I remove. Now it will take time since we want to fix the problem why your Playstore is not downloading. When you clear history of Playstore and you are through, go back to your Playstore again and try to download whatever you have been trying to download and it had the issue. With all those 5 steps, you have solved all the problem of your Playstore, and with those, your app will download without issues. That is all about the tutorial today. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe. Thank you. Let's meet another day giving you another tutorial. Thank you all.